All right, guys, so this is test, I don't know, I've tested a bunch. Test of my GoPro Max 360 camera. My goal with this is to have a camera that can give us 360-degree views of a build day for YouTube or Facebook, so that people can kind of be involved and watch other people working on projects and get that full immersive experience. So it's actually like you're here. So with your smartphone, you can either pan your smartphone around, or you can use your finger to drag. On your computer, you can drag with a mouse, and you should be able to look around all the way around me and look at the table, look up at the ceiling, look around the shop, whatever you want to do, and kind of see what it's like out here in Barefoot Props shop. So versus having just a standard vlog where you just have to look straight at the person that's talking to you, these cameras have become a lot more affordable, and so far I've been pretty impressed, although I've just had this camera for a little less than, I guess not counting days I've had to work, but I probably played with it a few hours now, but I got it about 3 days ago, but then I worked 2 12-hour shifts, so I really didn't get to play with it until today. So that's why I'm doing these tests today, to see how the video looks on YouTube, how the sound works, and how the sound works in this space. The sound should be directional. When the rest of the table's full, you should be able to, especially if you have stereo on your computer or TV or smartphone. I guess smartphones wouldn't have stereos, but I think they kind of have like a directional sound. So, but anyhow, let's say if somebody's talking to my left, you should hear the voice to the left and should be able to turn and look at them. So this also on YouTube, you can check the little VR button down below and put it in a VR headset and then have the full immersive experience. So this camera right now is set approximately about 1 foot off the table. I feel like that gives a little bit better perspective of the people, but maybe not as good as a workspace, seeing what they're working on. But I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it looks. So thanks for watching.